Rub a dub a scrub a dub a dub a dub a dub. Rub a dub a dub a dub a dub a dub a dub. How many people out there can really and truly do that? Just a few, right? Guess what? You can actually watch this video, make this little concussion that I'm going to share with you today, and before you know it, you will be on your way to doing the same thing that I am doing, and that is showing your underarm. This treatment is going to have your underarm clean and clear. You'll see great result after the very first use. So if you're interested in this video, come with me to the kitchen and I'll show you how to whip this up in no time. Our first ingredient is baking soda, the same as sodium bicarbonate, and baking soda is known to get rid of body odor. It is also great for getting rid of all the grease and dirt and dead skin cells from the hair follicles, leaving your skin clean and clear. Baking soda is also known for getting rid of body hair. Our next ingredient is sandalwood powder, and sandalwood powder is known for getting rid of pimples, blackheads, whitehead, all kind of spots and hyperpigmentation on the skin. Now, if you suffer from any of these, make sandalwood a part of your daily skincare routine. Now, sandalwood is not only going to get rid of the pigmentation, but it's also going to help to leave your skin clear, bright, and radiant. Our next ingredient is tomato, and tomato is loaded with vitamin C. Tomato is going to help to get rid of all the dullness, all the darkness, and dead skin cells from your underarms. So the combination of the citric acid found in the tomato along with the sandalwood powder and the baking soda combined is going to work wonders in getting rid of all that darkness and body odor under your armpit. We're also going to use aloe vera gel, and this is the bottle aloe vera gel. If you have fresh aloe vera, go ahead and use that instead. So now we're going to put all the ingredients together, and I'm going to be using baking soda. I'm using 2 tablespoons of baking soda, a tablespoon per armpit. Now please remember that baking soda is the same as sodium bicarbonate or bicarbonate of soda. Next, I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of sandalwood powder. Add it to the baking soda. And then I'm going to mix the dry ingredient together, and I'm going to mix well. And after mixing our baking soda and sandalwood powder together, you can choose to store this in a airtight container. So whenever you're ready to use it, the 2 dry ingredients would be already mixed. Now you would be amazed at this wonderful fragrance that this is giving off. Sandalwood powder is also used in deodorants, and it is also used in household fragrance such as incense sticks. And here it is. This is our dry mix. Now we're moving on to our tomato. So you want to make sure to wash your tomato, and we're going to cut the tomato in 2 halves, 1 half per armpit. And here it is. Now we're going to squeeze the juice from the tomato. Just squeeze and make sure to leave the shell intact, since we're going to be using this to exfoliate the armpit. Moving on to the other half, and just squeeze the juice. So, whoopsie. And let me reach for it and back to my squeezing. Now, once all the juice is removed from the tomato, we're going to mix this, and we're going to mix this into a paste. Just keep mixing, blending, blending, blending. Now, a wonderful thing about this remedy is that it is perfect if you have high body odor. This is not only going to lighten and brighten your underarm, but it's going to get rid of any of those, sweaty smell that some people tend to have more than others. So if you have that, you can actually use this mixture to get rid of high underarm odor. Okay? And this is ready. And here is our treatment. To use this, you're just going to dip your tomato in. Make sure to leave some for the other armpit. And you're going to use this to exfoliate the armpit. And this is going to get rid of all the darkness, and is also going to get rid of your body odor. So you're going to load your tomato up with the treatment. And then you're gonna exfoliate your underarm with the tomato and the solution. And you're gonna do this for about 3 minutes. You're gonna focus on the darker areas, and you're gonna use the other half of the tomato for the other armpit. So just exfoliate the armpit, scrubbing with a little bit of pressure, and this is what it should look like after about 3 minutes. Then you're gonna rinse that off. After rinsing, you're gonna apply your aloe vera gel. So you're just gonna take a little of your aloe vera, you're gonna put it in your hands and apply it to your underarm. You let it sit for about 5 minutes, and then you're gonna rinse off. And this is your result. So there you have it. Thank you all for watching. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to share the video, leave your comments, and if this was your first time watching, don't leave without subscribing. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.